For installation, first you install this platen first. Then you will see we have a packet of screw here. Okay, 2 big screw. Okay, so this pattern, okay, you are going to install it the bigger hole. Here, check it out. Have 4 holes, 2 small holes and 2 big holes. You are going to install it to the big holes. Next thing you are going to install it the big screw just now from the bottom. That.
Nice.
This is for the platen. Install the tray for the bottom.
So the plating is done.
Now I'm going to install this tray for the bottles. You can see hooks, 4 hooks here, and 4 holes in the body of the machine. Easy, you just hook it.
Oh.
Okay, done. Okay, then you just place bottom. For protrusion, you place it in front. For the clean solution, you place it in the back. And for waste, it's not placed here. It's placed below the machine. You need this tube. You see, there is fitting here. Okay, you just connect this. Put this here. Like that. So everything, every waste will all go to this bottle. So every supply of will be from this bottle and seal is from this bottle. The next thing you do is to remove these few cable ties. Just cut the big one first. Okay. Then you'll free your 3 tubes. And you can check out these labels. This is the tube for cleaning solution inlets. So you just put it here first. And this 2 is the pre-treatment outlet and pre-treatment inlet. So both tube you put inside this bottle, the pre-treatment bottle. Okay. The next thing you do is you cut this cable tie. This cable tie is to store the shipping liquid inside. Okay. When we ship this machine, we have shipping liquids to keep the inside moisture. The next tube you need to open is this one. Okay. Inside, when you open the cover, you see another tube inside. This is the tube for waste. So you need to open this also and release it. Okay, and then you just place it in here. The machine is ready to be used. One last step, the power cord. Okay, power cord is you install it behind. You install it at the back of the machine. Okay. Just plug it in. On off for the machine. Okay. Now let's plug it in and then try.